Hey everyone, welcome back to Sparrow Pod. I'm Adib, your host today, and today we are going to ask the children about the upcoming intra-school competition. What do they expect from him, and what do the teachers expect from the sparrows? So let's go. So Umema,
Yes.
what are you going to choose mostly, and are you excited about the intra-school competition?
Yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm gonna be doing the poetry slam, as I think that's like a really creative topic, and my brain can go wild with it.
What about you, Zoya?
I would say like I'm very excited because it's our school's first inter school competition. So, and I would be doing the elocution because I think I would be able to execute it very well.
Okay, so for elocution, what would your topic on be based on?
I would also be doing the elocution because I feel like it would like remove if any stage fear I feel like it would remove that, and I would just like really like to do it.
Do you, fellas?
Yes.
What are you most excited or nervous about before the competition even starts?
I'm nervous about the poetry one because I'm really interested in that, and I hope I score well.
What about you, Julia? For versing and voices, what theme or feeling would you like for your poem to express?
For my poem, I think I would like to have. I would like to talk about how standing up for yourself is so important, as it is for voices.
Yeah. What for mic drop moments? If you could write one line that changed everything, what and get a standing ovation, what would it sound like?
It would sound like something motivational and inspiring, and it should be really sweet to think of, and it should touch people's heart.
And for tales and twists, what kind of story do you think you would surprise everyone?
Something that they haven't heard before. It's new, and basically just blows their minds away.
Now, for the teachers, what do you expect from the sparrows?
I think the sparrows just need to be themselves because 20 birds by 7 they rock. So just being themselves is what we look for.
Sparrows always excel in all the competitions. So this time also, I feel that they are going to rock the competition.
What's one thing that you might think that will be remembered in this event?
Each one has special quality. So I feel all the competitions are different, and they are going. Everyone will enjoy the competition. So I feel that itself will be a memory.
So now we are in the pre-primary. So are you all excited for the event? And what do you expect from yourselves?
We are going to rock.
Okay. So now we will go into Edison, and now we'll ask them some questions. So, are you all excited for the intra-school competition? Are you going to win? So now we have entered Tesla, and now I'll ask them some questions. What kind of performance or topic do you think you'd like to do for your event?
I would like to do climate change marketing.
Now, what about one of the boys, Ibrahim? For Spellorama, what kind of words do you expect? Easy warm-ups or total tongue twisters?
Tongue twisters.
Okay. What about you, Abu Bakar?
Tongue twisters.
Okay. So now we are done with the Teslas. Now let's go to Hamilton's.
Like this, no? Yeah. Hold one side and like this. You will take a photo like this, huh? Hello, hello. Shan, show first. Shan, go. Shan, show. Shan. Shan will show. Come here.
To answer this question, for Fancy Fiesta, what costume, idea, or character would you love to dress up as?
For Fancy Fiesta, I would like to dress up as Jawaharlal Nehru because he is my idol, and I have already dressed up like him before. and I know his story and have read his book. So I would like to dress up like Jawaharlal Nehru.
Now, Hamza, what about the fancy fiesta?
In the fancy fiesta, I would like to dress like you because you look very nice today, Adib.
Thank you. So now we are entering Da Vinci. Let's ask the kids what they are expecting.
So they will have to hear only no one.
So, are you guys excited for the intra-school? So, for Yahya, for Say It Slate, if you could choose any speech topic, what would it be?
It would be to save trees.
Okay. What about you, Seth?
It would be like to save food and all for other people, water and all for other people, so that they'll also not starve like us.
Okay. So now we are entering the rites. So now let's ask the kids, the sparrows, some questions.
Yeah, I know it's not
Okay.
that much. You can have it.
So Mariam, for which event are you planning to take part in? Sparrowrama, Say It Slate, Fancy Fiesta, Verses and Voices, Tales for a Twist, Mic Drop Moments.
Spellorama.
Okay. So what do you expect? Tongue twisters or warm-ups?
10 twisters.
Rufeda, for Fancy Fiesta, what costume, idea or character would you love to dress up as?
I would like to wear a traditional dress of Indonesia.
Thank you.